Today let's learn how to get Spongebob voice on TikTok. If you see people trying out the Spongebob voice on TikTok, then let me show you the process of doing it. All you want to do is tap on the plus icon on the bottom and then just take a video or upload a video with a voice. Now once you have taken the video or uploaded the video, on the right panel you'll see a couple of options. You just need to tap an option which says audio editing. Now depending upon your location, you may or may not have the feature. You can once try updating your app of TikTok, and if your region has that feature, you should see an option of Trickster. As you can see, currently it is also not available on my location, but if it is available on yours, you'll see an option of Trickster somewhere on this panel. You can just tap on that option and the Spongebob voice will be automatically added to your video on TikTok. So that was a quick and easy process. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.